We're very lucky in that a collector usually demonstrates and shows two bicycles every month at this car show. First one is 1937 Firestone Fleetwood Super Streamline, made by Huffman. And an interesting development, according to the poster there, is that the speedometer hides an ashtray. Now this is, I can't believe the level of restoration these bicycles. This gentleman is a superb restorer, does a fantastic job. There's the speedometer. Evidently underneath, somewhere underneath that face, is an ashtray. And next to it is a 1939 Firestone Flying Ace. Notice the headlight on that one, chain guard. You're going to see some interesting things. The tank is a part of the frame on this one. And it also shows, which we'll get a little closer view, a bicycle show that's coming up next year. And there it is. Beautifully done. And I know it takes a while to get the parts together for these restorations. Unbelievable level of restoration. Now we'll get a look at that show that's coming up at the Volusia County Fairgrounds outside DeLand, Florida, March 3rd and 4th.